Hey tea lovers, welcome back to Tea of the Week. This week we are looking at one of our blends that has only 2 ingredients but almost too many health benefits to list: organic dandelion tea. Organic dandelion tea is a caffeine-free blend with a very pepperminty aroma and flavor. There are only 2 ingredients in this blend, but both of them have a numerous amount of health benefits. Let's go into those now. The first ingredient is dandelion root. Dandelion root is an excellent source of potassium, which is a mineral and electrolyte. Potassium can help the kidneys filter out toxins more effectively, stimulate the heart, and improve blood flow. Dandelion root can also act as a natural diuretic and detoxifying ingredient. Additionally, dandelion root packs a punch of antioxidants, which act as anti-inflammatories and help strengthen the immune system. The second ingredient is organic peppermint. Peppermint also has a ton of health benefits. Peppermint is a natural digestive soother and can help with symptoms like gas, bloating, and indigestion. Additionally, peppermint has been shown to relieve tension, headaches, and general body aches and pains. Peppermint also has antibacterial properties that can help fight off infections and colds. Now let's talk about a recipe to make with our organic dandelion tea. The full recipe will be linked in the description below. I'm going to make 1 serving, so for this I'm going to use 1 cup of oat milk, you can use any type of milk you'd like, and put it in a saucepan over low to medium heat and bring to a boil with 1 tea bag that I've sealed off with the string of our organic dandelion tea. Once the milk has come to a simmer, I'm going to put a lid on and let it steep for 10 minutes over very low heat. I'm then going to remove the tea bag, making sure I squeeze out any of that extra tea and flavor, and then add in my white chocolate to make a delicious pepperminty cocoa drink. I'm going to stir this until the chocolate is fully melted, but after that you're pretty much done. You have this rich, delicious pepperminty drink that's infused with all the health benefits of the dandelion root and the peppermint. I topped this with a little whipped cream and white chocolate sauce, but you can drink it just as is. Thanks so much for tuning in to Tea of the Week this week. I hope you give organic dandelion tea a try. It's on sale until the 21st using the code BLOOM for 20% off. And I hope you'll check out our website and all the links below. Have a great week. Bye-bye.